kana kwambatira na njira nene Garama ya muturire na makiria hari thogora wa maguta kuuma kuna kwambatira gwa gicunji giki kuuma 8 hari igana nginya 16 hari igana. Andu matiganite na makiria thondekia gari ni magite na mbere na guthuthuria na gwetha njira njeru cia gutigirira ati ni mathondeka gari iria irahuthira hinya wa thitima. Undu gwitu kagera wa giteru aratariria
kwa ihinda inene gari cia maguta ma nditho na petrol ikoretwo igithukia maria maturigicĩirie no kambuni ya Electrical ina kihonia gĩa thĩna ũyũ.
This is actually one of the first charging stations in Naivasha. For us, we're looking at deploying charging stations across the country in different towns. And the idea here is to encourage e-mobility adoption, not just in the main cities, but as well as the rest of the country.
Mwena kambuni no ivumaina agwite mena mubango wa kuongera ceceni cia gwikira hinya gari cia thitima bũrũri-inĩ.
In our plan for the next 1 year, we're looking at deploying 300 charging stations. Then that will be spread across the country. The other thing as a business that we're doing is looking at ways that we can address the lack of infrastructure by increasing the range in our units.
Ivunekeire mubango wa thirikari wa kunyihia igoti rĩa kuingĩria ngari ici gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Working very closely with the government to see how we can ease the process of importing EVs. We're excited that they're offering incentives around this, including reducing the excise duty, and we're also looking at them reducing the customs duty. We hope that we're going to see that implemented very soon.
Nake Mina kuma ruhonge rwa kimabũrũri rwa UN Habitat ni gũtenekeretio ni bũrũri wa Kenya kwanja mũbango ũyũ akiuga ni kuo thĩ yothe irorete.
Kenya has been blessed with so many natural conditions that actually facilitate that, but has also been blessed with people who are active, who are engaged, and who want to see things moving in a better direction for the future. That actually by 2050 we will see that major car producers globally will shift. They will no longer be producing traditional fuel-based vehicles.
Nekwaragia hingo ya kuruguria ceceni ya 22 ya gwikira ngari cia thitima hinya mwena wa Naivasha barabara-inĩ ya kuuma Nakuru ũgĩthiĩ Nairobi.
It's a proven fact that 70% of carbon emissions actually do happen in the urban context, just like this one.
Ribotera Muthigi TV nĩ kuoneka Kagera wa giteru.
So if we can reduce